Welcome to Off the Shelf with Economics, brought to you by the Bessie Moore Center for Economic Education in the Sam M. Walton College of Business at the University of Arkansas. I'm Dr. Rita Littrell, and I have a passion for children's books, and I find new ones that I just want to share with educators so they can make a difference for their students. Today's new find is Hidden Figures: The True Story of 4 Black Women and the Space Race. The amazing thing about this story is in economics, we teach about productive resources, land or natural resources, labor or human resources, and capital tools. In this story, Hidden Figures, the women develop their human capital, and that means they teach themselves. The takeaway for your students is that they are teaching themselves math. They excel at math, and they all end up working as computers. So at the time when these women were working, the people who did the actual calculations, math calculations that are done by computers today, were women. These 4 happen to be 4 black women in a different time periods that worked for NASA. So the story goes through and tells about the 4 women, how they learned math, what they learned, what their aspirations were, and the many obstacles they had to overcome. Some particularly compelling parts that I think would resonate with your students. John Glenn would not take his flight until Catherine, one of the women, until Catherine had calculated the trajectory. And when she confirmed that everything was done correctly, then he said he would indeed take the flight. The 4 women's names are Dorothy Vaughan, Mary Jackson, Katherine Johnson, and Christine Darden. If you haven't seen the film by this name, it's very powerful. It's worth any educator's time to watch this film and to learn about these remarkable women and to take the opportunity to share this with your students so that they too know that they can overcome whatever obstacles are in their way. And one of those might be math. We have a lot of young people in the U.S. who say, I'm not good at math. I see a lot of teachers who say that. I ask that you don't say that to your students because you're giving them permission to not learn math, even if you truly feel that way. We need to get math education right. We need to help the students to be math confident, because if they're going to major in STEM fields, this is the thing that will make a difference. When I sit at university graduations, if you're looking at graduates in STEM fields beyond a bachelor's degree, there's many international students, and it's because of the fact that they're excelling in math. So we want to be competitive. We want our students to have every opportunity. We want them to build their human capital. And I think children's books like this can make a difference. Thank you. You will see that there's a video of it if